Welcome back to another Procreate tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to adjust layer opacity. So all we got to do is select the layer icon on the top right corner of the screen. Tap that, and all you got to do is tap with two fingers on the layer that you want adjusted. Tap with two fingers and just simply slide towards the left to adjust the opacity to a lower level. And of course, if you go all the way to the left to 0%, it's going to let all the light go through, and if you want to go back to normal, you just simply slide to the right to 100%, and then tap on the magic wand icon on the top left corner of the screen by the wrench. And there is another option to do this. A second way to do this is tap on the layer icon again and simply tap on the letter N on the right side. That's the layer type, and you see the opacity and max slider, and again slide it to the left to reduce the opacity and slide it to the right to increase the opacity, and just tap out of the screen. So tap twice. Okay, and that should be it for this video. I'll see you on the next Procreate tutorial.